Executive Vice President for Operations of the Office of the Student Council Treasurer. Research Head, Maximize Your Fees Campaign. Lobby for the credit card system payment in GLSU. And lobby for the lowest ever 3% tuition fee increase in the history of De La Salle University. De La Salle University, Manila, your Executive Treasurer, Austin Oy!
Magandang hapon, De La Salle University! Ako po si Austin Uy. This school year, the Office of the Student Council Treasurer achieved greater heights in providing student services to the student body. We've been through the highest of the highs and the lowest of the lows. The highest ever grantees of the Student Council Assistance Fund. The newly implemented credit card system payment for tuition fees, effective next term. The new implemented financial record book for transparency and financial monitoring system in the Student Council. At higit sa lahat, ang lowest ever tuition fee increase sa history ng De La Salle University. However, along with these achievements, meron pa rin mga umuusbong na issue na hindi natin maiiwasan dito sa universidad. 2 weeks ago, nagkaroon ng meeting ang Multi-Sectoral Committee on Student Fees Revisions Committee. Inaasan nila ang ilang fees sa miscellaneous fees at special fees. Tulad ng alumni fees, trimestral registration fees, international students fees, at iba pa. As your executive treasurer, I will demand for a comprehensive review of these increased fees. Scholarship opportunities, financial loans, and financial grants. These are the most pressing issues that my office needs to address. As your executive treasurer, I will widen the scholarship opportunities for the students. Conduct accessibility research of the Study First, Pay Later program para sa mga deserving students ng Lasal. Dahil naniniwala ako ng bawat estudyante ay deserving of the Lasalle education. Maraming Nasaliano ang hindi pa rin nasusulit ang kanilang binabayarang tuition fees. Malamang hindi ako ang unang tao nagsabi na napakamahal ng tuition fee ng Lasal. At dahil dito, I will strengthen the information dissemination of the services provided for us by this institution. Alam niyo ba ang merong START program ang SFA? Ang START program ang Student Assistantship and Resource Training. Nagbibigay sila ng part-time job para sa mga estudyante na gustong kumita habang nag-aaral pa dito. Magkakaroon din tayo ng e-purse. Ibabalik ang electronic purse next academic term. Ito ang mga nagbibigay ng mga pera ay nagbibigay ng loan sa lahat ng ating IDs para bayaran ng mga fees dito sa Lasal. At higit sa lahat, ang aking plataforma, Fight for Equitable Student Fees, Accountable Financial Monitoring System, and Accessible Lasal Assistance Fund and Services. This year, ipagpapatuloy ko ang simula ni Terry Lim. Ipagpapatuloy ko ang paglaban sa lowest ever tuition fee increase dito sa Lasal. Napakaposible dahil meron pa din downward trend ang inflation rate this year. From December to January, December 4.4 to February 4.2% na lang. Ito po ang ilan sa aking proyekto at plataforma. Ito po ang serbisyong ibibigay ko para sa inyo. This is my platform backed up with my 3 years experience in the Student Council. It is within these 3 years that I've genuinely learned to protect students' rights, promote students' welfare, and partake in nation building. As to end my speech, let me quote a very wise man. He said, "Great moments are born from great opportunities." De La Salle University, you have the opportunity to vote for a student-driven governance this election. Driven by transparency and accountability, and fighting for pro-student financial programs. De La Salle University